What's going on, guys? My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be discovering what an electric typewriter will do to an iPhone 4. As you can see, this is already broken, and I have not done anything to it yet with this typewriter, but we're just going to see what will happen. Alright. Hopefully it'll stay right there. Hopefully. And I'm going to be destroying the back first. It don't seem to be doing anything to the back. Let's try the front. This iPhone is already broken to begin with, so... Oh, it cracked. Right there on the edge. Let's keep going. Alright. As you can see, this iPhone not gonna work again at all. Not even close. Power button don't even work. So this used to be a fully functional iPhone 4S. Alright, let's see if that helps. Focus. Alright, so as you can see, most of the damage that is done about right here was done from that typewriter. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like for more. See ya.